Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, it's a beautiful combination of buttercream cake mixed with fondant techniques. If you guys want to learn how to make this beautiful cake, well, keep on watching. This week was another very simple cake to do, but yet it looks like so dramatic. It's literally just a cake that you cover in buttercream, but you can use whipped cream, ganache, Italian, Swiss meringue buttercream, whatever you want, doesn't matter. And at the bottom, you're gonna add fondant flowers using a silicone mold. And it's basically, that is it. Little tricks for the silicone mold: if it gets sticky, make sure to just add a little bit of cornstarch inside the little creases, and then when you put your fondant inside, it's gonna remove quite easy. And then I top it with pretty flowers, and that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Also, many of you were asking like, where do I get my stuff? Where can I get a specific silicone mold or cutters? Or actually, in my description box down below, you will see I have a link. Whatever I use in the particular video, I will link it down, but I also have another area where it says my Amazon store, and if you click on my Amazon store, there will be a link there, and it will bring you to all my favorite tools that I use in my videos, and you can find all the molds, and whatever I use in my videos will be there. So if you are interested about the materials that I use, you can go and have a look at that particular link, because you will find everything over there. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.